Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris again. Just one more little old video real quick. Just show you guys a little bit more about trading forex. You guys holding Iraqi Dinars. I've been hearing a lot of people in those rooms not knowing anything about forex. And anyway, I'm here to try to help you. I'm a professional trader, forex, and that's what I'm going to show you guys today is how to look at fundamental drivers. TradingView.com will give you your charts, and forexfactory.com will give you the news releases. Okay, so it's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to show you what's coming up tomorrow. Okay, I come over to Forex Factory and go to calendar. Okay, so let's scroll down the calendar till we get till tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, January the 5th. Here's the countries tomorrow that are having economic data releases. Japan, Europe, Great British Pound, which is Britain, England, GBP, Europe, CAD, USD. Okay, the yellow folders are low impact. The orange folders are medium impact. And the red folders are high impact. We've got a lot of high impact stuff coming out tomorrow, and that's going to affect the USD IQD. Now, the IQD is pegged. It's not going to move anywhere, but the exchange rate could change because the USD would change. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys, I'm giving you an example of how this works before it actually works tomorrow. So tomorrow, you see over here, there's no numbers because, okay, you see right there's numbers. Those are actually US numbers from today, too high impact. But when we get down to tomorrow, right here, at Friday, January the 5th, there is no numbers because we haven't gotten there yet. The first set of numbers will come out at 12 o'clock tonight, Central Time. JPY, 2 a.m. Europe. The European session starts, and you can go down there. And at 8:30 in the morning, we start getting some high impact red folders for CAD and USD. So we've got quite a bit of stuff coming out tomorrow between 8:30 and 1:30 p.m. 8:30 in the morning, 1:30 for USD. So depending on how this news comes out, whether if it's positive or negative, is going to influence the USD pairs, all of them. Okay, so let's just go back over here to TradingView. Let's go and let's take a look. Let's just pull up the USD CAD because we've got news coming out on those two pairs. We'll come up here where it says symbol. You type in USD CAD. Make sure I typed it correct. Okay, now then, I shouldn't have done that. We're going to go back. I need to show you your brokers. I want to explain to you guys what the brokers are. Not explain what they are, but how you find your broker. USD Okay, USD CAD. Okay, now then, it's going to pull up the USD CAD. That's the United States dollar and the Canadian dollar. We've got two major news, okay? Now over here, you'll notice that there's a whole bunch of USD CADs, okay? And over here, you'll notice different names. Forex.com, Pepperstone, 8cap. Those are brokers. Okay, each broker has a different percentage that they charge, and each one has a different spread. That's the rates that would be charged on the USD CAD to enter a trade. Okay, so the smaller the trade, the smaller the cost. Okay, but each one's different. So if you want your charts to line up correctly at the prices, and your take profits and stop losses and all those numbers have to line up. You need to find your broker over here. Now for the United States, and for this purpose, let's just use forex.com. I do have a forex.com account. We're going to go to launch chart. Now you guys, each one of you can do this. I'm walking you through it. We're going to the USD CAD on TradingView. We're going to look at it. We're on the 1 week time frame. It looks like it's in a period of consolidation. It just went down. Okay. And those lines are from old trades in the past. It's just a very common area, support resistance area, where this pair trades. But we've got a setup. It just came down. It's probably going to set up for a pullback. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Maybe we can get to the 4-hour chart. I tell you what, let's go to the 2-hour chart, 3-hour chart. All right. Now the candles are going to be so small. There we go. Oh, we actually changed. Okay, let's try this again. I'm trying to hold this camera with one hand and work this with the other. So let's go back and do USD CAD. Okay, forex.com. We're going to just pick that. Here we are. Here's what we're looking at. All right. We've been coming down. We're on the downtrend. We came back up. Remember, the USD is the primary pair, so the USD's been coming down. The Canadian dollar's been getting stronger. We came back up to a point. It's another resistance a resistance zone. It's hit that zone. It's bouncing back down undecided. So tomorrow, starting at 8:30, I would suggest you guys come over here and put in a time frame, 4-hour or 2-hour or anything you want to put in there. Not 30 seconds. You want to put something in there, 30-minute time frame, something good to watch on. Put the 30-minute in and watch tomorrow starting at 8:30. And when you see some big candles jumping, go back and look at the news. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's just a little bit about how the Forex works. Now, it can come out conflicting news. You could have good release and some bad, and it's mixed, and it just kind of moves up and down a few minutes and levels back off into consolidation. Okay, but it is cool. Go check it, and you will start beginning to see what moves the markets. All right. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.